Let's get real. You're not just tired, you're mentally overdrawn. Fried by constant input, poisoned by distraction, starved of silence. You think you're grinding, but you're leaking power by the hour. That fog in your brain, that short temper. That's not hustle fatigue, that's repose deficiency. And it's killing your potential. Here's what science tells us. Harvard research confirms that chronic stimulation spikes cortisol, leading to brain inflammation and decision fatigue. Stanford shows your cognitive function drops by 40% without deliberate downtime. MIT found multitasking and lack of recovery double your anxiety levels. Still want to flex about your non-stop hustle? You weren't designed to run 24/7, even machines break down, but you think rest is weakness? That's why you're stuck. Let me break this down. Repose isn't laziness, it's a tactical reset, a warrior's reload. Elite athletes spend up to 40% of their schedules on recovery, not because they're weak, but because they understand the science of sustained dominance. Your brain isn't a machine, it's a muscle, and like any muscle, it grows in rest. If you never recover, you never rise. You just drag yourself forward in slow collapse. Scrolls do that. Men who watch content but don't live it. Not us. Not OLP 365. We build power through repose. So here's the exact system. Repose Protocol, 3 winning moves. 1. Power down hour. Daily, 1 hour, no screens, no social, no stimulation. Let your nervous system reset. Journal, stretch, sit in silence. This repairs your prefrontal cortex, the decision-making part of your brain. Weekly reset, 1 full day every 7 days. Unplug, be in nature, walk, reflect, no tasks, no noise. Johns Hopkins reports this boosts memory, lowers inflammation, and raises testosterone. Night guard ritual. 1 hour before sleep, no screens, no doom scrolling. Instead use visualization, breathwork, and journaling. Harvard found this improves emotional regulation by 60%. These aren't soft moves, these are winning moves, because power without recovery is temporary. Scrolls burn out. Centurions refuel with purpose. Here's the cost of ignoring this. You'll lash out at people you love, you'll miss key moments, you'll make sloppy decisions, you'll wreck your body, all while telling yourself, I'm just tired. But tired becomes sick. Sick becomes stuck. Stuck becomes regret, and regret, that's the last stage of burnout. Repose prevents it. In OLP 365 this is non-negotiable. We don't glorify exhaustion, we weaponize recovery, we use science, we build systems, we train our mind and body to reset by design, not collapse by accident. Repose is your edge, your clarity, your calm dominance. It's the pause before the power punch, the silence before the storm. And it's how we win, long term. So here's your move. Implement the Repose Protocol starting tonight. Power down, guard your sleep, take back your focus. Because if you don't, the system will steal it, and you'll become just another scroll, mindless, drained, and broken before 40. That's not happening on my watch. This is OLP 365, and men like us don't burn out. We reset with precision. We reclaim our strength. We rise again and again and again. So now I ask you, are you a scroll or a centurion? If you're ready to embed repose into your power stack, drop fight on in the comments. Subscribe, reset, dominate. OLP Nation, let's build.